I'm Priya, and I'm the head of digital at Cathay. We were founded in 1946, and of course, we're 78 years old this year. We've got about 231 aircraft, and we fly to over 200 destinations, including our code shares as well. And we employ about more than 27,000 employees. Our ambition is to be one of the world's greatest service brands. So we've got more than 15 contact centers around the world. We've got more than 1,700 agents serving all our customers. And we've got about 15, they serve them in 15 languages. Just like most of us here, the information is scattered all around. We had some on the hub, we had some on emails, they've got some briefings out there, it was just scattered in so many different repositories. So it was really important that we needed a knowledge management system. We're a 24/7 business. We wanted to make sure it was scalable, that we could use it across the organization as well. It was configurable, so that it was easy to use, and that we could also integrate it very easily with other internal systems, other Cathay systems as well. And then more importantly, that the solution we had also had a good product and a technology roadmap as well. So with all those in mind, we set out to look for a suitable partner. So we put out an RFP, and then that's when we found eGain. The eGain solution was better packaged. I mean, it was easy to use. It had all the good components of a good knowledge management system, the templates, the knowledge repository, the knowledge lifecycle management, federated search, APIs to FAQs and chats, and also enabled us to build other business portals if necessary as well. In 2022 is when we started the project. Deloitte was on board, and of course, eGain project team was also there. And they helped us create that whole framework, the strategy, the technology roadmap, the user journeys. They helped us craft the user journeys, the knowledge architecture, and the flow. And they also helped us develop a content guidebook. And essentially, that helps to put the best practices of content writing, principles and practices in place. And then in 2023, last year, we implemented Knowledge Hub as well. The trending articles is very useful because it's dynamic, so you can tell from the types of calls that are coming in, what are the other agents accessing, so that kind of gives people a quick access to it in case they get a call as well. And this is just toggling between English and Chinese. They can do that for any of the topics. Add to reply was something quite a nice feature. Really, we've had a good trend going. More than 3 million article views since we started, 900,000 active sessions, so they are using it. Got 95% successful searches, 71% click-through rates. So we took advantage of the IITD program that eGain Mark just presented on. We tried instant answers. We did about 3,000 searches. And there was 75% of the time there was a generative answer was returned by, not AI, and somehow it changed. And the success criteria that we put out was really the speed of response, ease of use. This is round one, right? Ease of use, ability to support text and embedded PDFs, could it capture feedback, and then were the answers accurate? I think that's a big one for us. GPT was a little bit better because I guess there's less pressure on the accuracy at that point because it's not going out to a customer. But they clicked the prompts, more than 125 prompts were clicked at the time for the trial. And 95% of the time, the response could have been used as is, which means that there was very little improvement needed on the prompts or on the article itself. Yes, there is a lot of effort to build the prompts, but if you do build a prompt that's really detailed, you will get pretty good results from it. So it's worth the effort. It does save time in content creation and improvement as well. The hard work has paid off, and what we have now is that single source of truth, right? And those trusted answers. We do have that. It's unified. It's organized in a single repository as well. Overall, of course, all of this is about customer satisfaction and efficiencies, and I'm sure that this is what the outcome is going to be for us as well. And I think eGain has been a fantastic partner for us. Emma and her team and the whole team in the US that supports her as well. They're supportive, they're responsive, they're open to new ideas, they have a good roadmap, and they're continuously developing for the future. So that gives us a lot more comfort that we're working with the right company as well.